Hi, this is Mahesh. In this video, I'm going to tell how to install Python in Windows 10. For this, I made a sequence of steps. I will show in the Word file. These are the sequence of steps to install Python. Already we know that the Python is an open source software. That means you can install without any license. To install the Python, we need to go to the Python website and go to the Google and type Python. Go to the Google and type Python. You can get like this. In the first two, you can identify python.org. Go to that, and that in the downloads you can see all the latest versions. You can download Python 3.10.0. This is the latest version for the Windows. Click on that and download it, and next install the Python. Next, one important thing is you need to know where it is installed. That is a very important step to install the libraries and all. For this, go to it is always stored in the C users in your PC. Go to desktop users C. In the C, go to users. In the users Mahesh, for me Mahesh, and that in that you go to app data. You need to search app data. In that go to local. In that go to programs. In the programs it is stored Python. It is very important, the location or the path of your Python. Okay, Python. In the Python 3.9, and then in that you need to go to scripts also, because we already installed the Python, and then next we need to install all necessary libraries. Okay, for that we have to go to scripts. In the scripts we have a pip. By using pip only you can install all. For that I went to scripts and copy this path. By using pip only we can install all the libraries for the Python, so that we went to the pip location, that is scripts. C users Mahesh, app data, local program, Python 3.9, and scripts. In that pip is there. Copy this, and then next open a command prompt. CMD command prompt. Okay, to install all the libraries like NumPy, Matplotlib, for all we need to do what is we need to install with the help of pip. For that, first we need to go to the path of the pip. For that I am writing cd space scripts. In the scripts pip is there, then it will work. Then go to our Word file. To install NumPy, the command is pip install NumPy. Copy this, Ctrl C, copy, and paste here. Ctrl V, pip install NumPy. It will install now. The requirement is already satisfied because I already installed the NumPy now. That's why. Likewise, you can install all the necessary libraries. This is very important step. You need to go to the location of the scripts where the pip is there. You need to go to the location of the pip. The pip is located in scripts. That's why we went to scripts. And then next is pip install pandas. For doing operations with Excel files and all, for doing while dealing with the data, we need to install pandas. For that, pip install pandas. Copy this command, Ctrl C, and paste here. It is also already installed. Like this you can get it. wise, you can install all necessary libraries in the Python. Okay. Suppose in order to check whether all these libraries like matplotlib, numpy, scipy, all are installed or not, for this we need to go to Python command window, IDLE. To open Python, we need to go to IDLE. In that, type import numpy. We already installed numpy. Import numpy. The next line means there is no problem. The next line came, that means no problem. Next, import scipy. Now also 3 arrow marks came, that 3 double-headed arrows. Okay, that means the numpy and scipy are installed. Next, like import matplotlib. Suppose I will type import some command like image. We not installed the image, that's why we get a there is no module named image. Okay, to know whether they are successfully installed or not, we can try in this way. Okay, this is the installation procedure for the Python. We need to go to the Python website where we can download the Python, and next to install the libraries, to install numpy, pip install numpy, to install pandas, pip install pandas. This pandas is used to deal with the Excel files and all, and to install the scipy, pip install scipy. The command is pip install scipy. This scipy deals with the signals. To deal with the signals, we have to use scipy. And then to install matplotlib, we need to use the command pip install matplotlib. This matplotlib deals with all plotting, 2D plot, 3D plots, scatter plots, contour plots, all plots. And to install the XLS writer, it is also used for the dealing with the Excel files and writing to the Excel files, reading from the Excel file, and manipulation of the Excel files. You can use XLX writer also. It is also like a pandas. You can use this can be installed with the help of a pip install XLS writer. This is the installation procedure. Okay, and this is if this information is useful to you, please subscribe my channel and share this information to your friends, colleagues also, and thank you very much.